Hello, welcome to my kitchen. I'm Najmieh Batmanglij.
Sunlight on your eyelids, you're sleeping.
My aunt Khale Ishrat was the best pastry chef, but she never gave away her secrets to my mom. So it was a privilege going to her kitchen, and she showed me how to make her first baklava. I'm going to show you how to make Persian baklava. We're going to make the syrup first. In a small saucepan, place 2.5 cups of sugar, 1.5 cup water, half a cup rose water, squeeze of lime juice, and stir well. Bring it to a boil over medium heat. For the dough, we're going to put 1 egg, 1/4 cup milk, half a cup olive oil, 1 tablespoon of syrup that we made that helps the dough become more pliable and to stretch easily. And on a piece of parchment paper, sift 2.5 cup unbleached all-purpose flour. Then allow to mix I do it about 5 minutes. I'm using a food processor because it generates heat, which helps the dough develop. Now, divide the dough into 2 equal portions. Wrap in a plastic immediately because you don't want your dough to become dry. Now we're going to do the filling. I combine 2 pounds of almonds, 3 tablespoons ground cardamom, 2 cups sugar, and you grind it until you have a smooth paste. Brushed a rim sheet pan with olive oil. I'm going to dust the surface and use a thin rolling pin. Persian baklava is one of the first pastry to ever be made in the ancient world. We have documents that go back at least to the 6th century in a Persian royal kitchen in the court of King Khosrow. Then keep rolling out until you have a dough that's a bit larger than your sheet pan. I'm going to transfer the dough on the sheet pan. Then I'm going to transfer the filling onto the dough. We spread it evenly with a small rolling pin. I'm going to even out the surface. This stage is very important. You want to have a firm and compact surface. Now I'm going to roll out the second layer as I did for the first one and lay it on the top of the filling. Now pinch and seal around the edge as you would do for pie and cut the baklava into the diamond shape. I like to cut my baklava a little larger than traditional size. Now I'm going to paint the entire surface with oil. Bake it in a preheated oven. I'm going to spread a damp dish towel on the counter and transfer the baklava from the oven onto the towel. Immediately, I'm going to pour 2 cups of the syrup all over the top surface. I like to decorate my baklava with rose petal and pistachio slivers. Cover the entire baklava with a layer of plastic wrap and allow baklava to sit in the tray for at least 2 hours before serving. As Iranians say, نوش جون.